Let's look at the ways to make money online. How to make money online. Probably you look how to make money online. You land on my website. You found fernandraymond.com, or else you found the video on YouTube where you want to find ways to make money online. My name is Fernando Raymond. I'm an online business consultant, a digital entrepreneur, the top digital entrepreneur. YouTube, you can check it out. And I built online businesses. I always wanted to work from a laptop, not like that skitty, right? So I wanted to build an online business. I wanted to work from a laptop, be location independent, travel as a digital nomad. So I was looking into ways to make money online. That was something that back in 2000, after 12, 13, I was really hungry about finding ways to how can I go about making money online? What are the ways? So that was my research that got started, and I read the books like 4 Hour Work Week, Rework, those books, as well as hundreds of other books that gives me the strategies like how to go about starting an online business. How can I actually start an online business? I just need a laptop and internet connection. I can work, get paid online, provide the service online. Then I came across a service skills search and optimization, which I go into more detail about it. So that's why on this presentation, I want to highlight you and tell you the importance of gaining a digital skill when you want to make money online. There are other ways of affiliates, try to produce, click on websites, and all those are not sustainable ways. I'm talking about the most sustainable ways to make money online, where you can do it by gaining a skill, by starting those few skills. Once you master several skills or one skill and get started and get the ball rolling and making some money, and when you build an online business, say become a digital entrepreneur, and then you can step into a lot of other ways, as well as getting other people underneath to do it to you to make money to your online business. So there are so many ways that you can make money online. However, picking up the service space, digital skill acquisition, and transitioning it to become a digital marketer, a digital skills service provider, and providing it to businesses online while based in Sri Lanka will get you so much ahead. And then you can also make money, and you can probably get open up opportunities like moving to those countries. Say you got a business owner, you provide a service in the United Kingdom or US, which I've done. So we have people who we found out they had the digital skills, they work online, they provided a virtual skill set, and then we ended up hiring them and bringing them and helping their life to even be better. So these are the later stages. However, at the moment, if you're watching this video, you are hungry to make money online, and you want the ways that you can get started to make money online. Take this presentation really seriously. If you watch this presentation till the end and listen to my words, you will have the mindset and the resources to go about and gain the skills what you must do to make money online. Because I myself, right now based in Essex in United Kingdom, at my place recording the videos, and the Sika studio. So because I always started building an online business, got me the freedom to work from my way, do it from anywhere. These are the things. Get this inspiration first of all. Do not look for shortcuts. It does not take you a long way. A lot of people who taking shortcuts and the stuff and doing these things even get scammed. You do not need to buy any courses online to learn to make money online while when you finish this presentation. So take it very seriously. Let's dive deep. It's not a very long presentation, so make sure you take the notes and get that mind stimulation so you can go about and learn these skills, get the skills to become a service provider. And then if you're watching this video on YouTube, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe to Top Digital Entrepreneur channel, where I provide digital services, digital skills, and you can comment and ask. You have a setup, you want some help, I will help you and locate you to what you need to go and learn the courses that you need to take for free of charge. You do not have to pay and waste your money when you are about to take this path about to make money online. And it's based in Sri Lanka. I'm a Sri Lankan. I studied in Sri Lanka, I love Sri Lanka, coming to Sri Lanka, visit Sri Lanka, and all those things. So I want you to also build an online business and make money online, and you do it and you scale it, and then you create some jobs. This is the beauty of it. I talk about in the latest in one of the slides about the digital marketing services, how you can learn it and why you should learn it, and then take the digital marketing virtual agency, online agency model, and then provide it to business owners. And then how can you hire people to do that while you scaling the business is a sweet spot once you know how to do that one. So let's go with the presentation from the beginning, and let's go for it. So I like this. This is the inspiration I had when I was starting to make money online, because I want to make sure I was having the skills to make money online and go about it. So a little bit of a lag happening on this thing. So I know when I first time open, let me get to the second slide. Now we are here. So let's look into the thing. I explained to you and my story as well. You know, you're listening from a Sri Lankan who had built online businesses, working online, living online, like right now doing this video online for you while living in the United Kingdom, and then it's real first hand experience that I'm sharing with you, which you can go about to learn. So starting a blog, why do I tell this one? This is the base of online business. When you learn to start an online platform, a website, a web property, which is called a blog, that you can document, you can go about creating content and publish videos, publish your service presented, all those things. You know how to build this one, which you can learn over in few minutes, in under 10 minutes. Go to this link, how to create a blog on Zcost app, and you can go about the step-by-step guides that James had put together, where you will learn to build that. But do not skip this one. Take this one very seriously. Do not skip this one. Do this thing. Build a blog for free. I've written guides about how you can get a domain for free, and we have WordPress hosting for free, how you can build this one for free. I've done this and I helped some of the people. I seen them, even though they took the online tutoring, and the to various businesses that they do online, doing that got them to understand how the web works, the domain name, how to build that process, how to publish content, how to write content and put, how to do a video and embed it on a blog. So these are the things that you need to pay attention. Do not skip this part. That's why I talk about it. Do not skip this part when you are taking the journey and looking and hungry to make money online. Do not skip this part. Do this one. Allocate a day. If you're not technical at all, it's not going to take a day. When you watch through and learn it, it will take a matter of few minutes for you. So do not skip this one. Go about and start a blog. It is very easy. Learn to start a blog, which is your online website, which is going to take. Start for your name. Look at my one, fernandoraymond.com, Google Fernando Raymond. You can see the details. Then I put my details together, where I present to the world what I do. So these are the thing that you can also do. So as I'm saying it again, do not skip this part. Start a blog that you can go about and get going the online marketplace, because this will help you to build a brand, which I'm going to talk about in a bit. Because when you build an online brand, it comes back to your website. Make sure you build a blog. Start a blog. Google my name, Fernando Raymond. You will see the more details. E-commerce and SaaS, which I build a SaaS business. E-commerce is an example of e-commerce business is Amazon, and there are so many websites, as you guys know, Kapruka, all these websites in Sri Lanka, people build those things. However, this is hard to get into, but you can become a person who go and start selling on these platforms. If you have a product, this is one of the ways of making money where people are doing it. But the next stage, as what I've done, is building a SaaS business, which service business online, which we provide web hosting services through Seekohost. This is a next level story, which you can say, but I actually started myself with the digital skills, digital marketing skills, SEO skills, online marketing skills, like Google advertising, Facebook advertising. This is what I want to emphasize. This is why I go back to this digital skill acquisition, because having those skills helped me even build this business. Having those skills and making the money, and then hiring the people, then being a part of the company, helped me to build a business like Seekohost, which is a service we provide online, a digital service, which is a SaaS business, one of the best businesses to start. That's the very next level of the transition you can take when you take the right path of either starting a blog, understanding the digital economic models, which I talk about in this channel, which you can see more videos about the digital economic models in the Top Tier Entrepreneur YouTube channel. So make sure you go through that one. And online freelancing, which is easier to get started, which you can go about getting started doing this one and start teaching, start providing a service. start offering a graphic design service, writing service, a deal marketing service, more services, and you can go to Upwork and Fiverr to get your initial set of customers. And why did I tell you to start a blog? Because when you get these customers and when you work with them, when you get to know them, and some are going to get to know them, when they in case check your website, you can send to their place where you have your other services, your brand, where people see your video and actually a person that they want to feel like working directly. This is what I'm saying. I did it exactly when I was doing SEO, search and optimization. This is what I'm saying. You to do that one, start with a blog, of a platform where you can direct them when you are offering online freelancing services. So many services you can offer: video editing, virtual bookkeeping services, HR services. You can offer these services, but this is one of the ways that you can get started with making money online. Content creation, amazing one. You can become a content creator and build amazing YouTube channels. You can help content create for other content needed. You can edit videos. You can become a content editor. You can become a content writer using AI tools. Research about these things, put in some time, go into deep. These are digital skills that you can gain and offer as a digital service. Put the time today after this presentation, go to Google, search it, go through it, learn it, spend a day, weekend, spend a week to gain those skills, because these will actually help you to make money. There are millions of businesses in UK as well as in America, around the world. These are top countries with millions of businesses that use content to populate on their websites, on their channels. You can become a content creator, content producer, content editor. So all those things. So do a research about the content creation and become a content creator, content editor, that you can offer as an online service to online businesses that need to get their websites going. Online education, another thing. If you have a skills, if you're a maths teacher, chemistry teacher, you can offer the education online. But I recommend one thing: you create some of the courses. See the way that I'm doing this presentation, offering you an education about how to make money online. Create this online education courses, which if you want to see some examples, them is one place. Seacoast University is one place. Seacoast University, all the courses are there for free. You can go and see how we've done the courses, how myself done the courses, and put it as in a way people can sign up and learn. You can charge for that. If you have a highly in demand skill set, offer the students, get them if they want one-on-one, and then tell them get the course for 10,000 rupees a month or for the entire course. So these are the creative ways you can do to make money online in sustainable. This is why this presentation is so important. Hit the like button if you get some information, and then make sure you watch till the end. So virtual assistants, if you have the digital skills, then you can offer to business owners. You can keep on offering them. You become a really good virtual assistant, you land a job. So most of the people work at ClickDo and Seekerhouse ended up being some being used to be virtual assistant, and then they, because they were good, we hired them. They are part of the team. So get the digital skills, read the video, watch the video of the main pillars of digital marketing, which I done the Top Digital Entrepreneur channel, where I talk about the digital skills that you can gain. So SEO, Google AdWords, Facebook advertising, YouTube advertising skills, LinkedIn marketing, all these skills, once you learn, you can offer as a digital assistant. You can have various skills you can offer. Businesses need virtual assistant. Online digital creators need influencers needs virtual assistants. So you can become a one person and have a one or multiples, which you will get each paying you. Say one is paying 20,000 rupees, 50,000 rupees, maybe 100,000 rupees. Maybe you have two or three who are paying 100,000 each. You offer them virtual various services. Maybe you have just one who's paying you hundreds of thousands of rupees a month, and you can offer that as online service provider. Deal marketing services, core. Get this skill. This is the thing you need to get right. This is the thing you need to have for this and gain these skills to become a digital marketing services provider. You have millions of businesses, gain these skills, you apply for ClickView, you might have a job. And we are hiring at our Indian office at the moment right now. These are some of the examples of agencies in Sri Lanka, which actually you can see what digital marketing services they offer. You can learn and even apply for those jobs. Most of those agencies are now looking for people to work remotely. If they don't want, you can always work for a European, US company, a UK company, and as a fully skilled digital marketing service provider where you can offer these services. This is the best part. And then when you start building an online business, these skills are going to really help you. So gain the digital marketing skills. To gain the digital marketing skills, you can always go to Seekers University and learn those skills for free, or else you can watch so many YouTube videos, spend days and days and hours and gain the skills. Once you gain the skills, you come down to building a personal brand. This is important. Google my name, Fernando Raymond. You can see how I built my personal brand. And building a personal brand, you can really end up becoming a digital entrepreneur. That's my goal about in this digital entrepreneurship channel. How you start with the digital skills, become a digital marketer, and take the transition to become a digital entrepreneur, and then how you end up creating jobs and you replicate what you learn to be done by others, and you scale the business, and eventually you get out of the business. You can be aside and look after the kind of see how the business is running, which I've done. That's the pinnacle and the beauty of this online business success. So building a personal brand, I've done about how you build a personal brand with the Google knowledge panel, and then I have video, you can check it how to build a Google knowledge panel. But start with a blog. This is why I go down, why I try to go and link up with the starting with a blog, starting it for your name or your brand name, and then you build upon on that. When all these skills, when you get it, you come down to building a personal brand, which will open up you to become a thriving digital services provider, and build a digital marketing agency online, even in Sri Lanka. Eventually you can even open an office if you want. That's what you want. But you can do it most of these things online and work from anywhere while traveling the world and doing that. So my final words are, you can do that. If I have done, if you found this one, because I rank how to make money online in Sri Lanka, and you land on this particular presentation and you seeing this, I'm telling you, you can do that one. Gain the digital skills and put the time to become really good. Search engine optimization, Google AdWords, Facebook advertising, Instagram advertising, LinkedIn advertising, YouTube video editing and advertising. Man, you are a skilled person. And to really go pro, build your brand online, those seven what I mentioned, when you have that, to making money online is not a hard thing for you. You can make money online if you get that. But however, have the willingness and determination that you will put in the time to gain these skills. Cut down all these scammy ways and easy things that people are talking about. Put in the time and gain the digital skill acquisition, and build a thriving online business where you can really go about building an amazing online business. So this is where I want to cover up this presentation. And you can build a good online business. Let me know once you build an online business how you can build an online business. If you have any questions, drop your questions below. If you're watching this video on YouTube, and I wish you all the best. Fernand Raymond. More details, more videos are coming. Subscribe to this channel where I talk about digital entrepreneurship skills and how you can become a digital service provider, which you can become a digital entrepreneur and eventually build a business that run by digitally skilled people, even remotely online based, where you can do what you like, travel the world and do these kind of things. So join the Digital Entrepreneur Community YouTube channel, the Top Digital Entrepreneur channel. I'll see you in the next video.